Most people buy supplements without reading the labels, but did you know that a lot of supplements have fillers, synthetic ingredients, or even harmful additives while still claiming to be natural? I often say it's almost like a mullet. It's like business in the front, party in the back. And so today I'm exposing the biggest myths about supplement labels so you can stop wasting your money and start making informed choices. Because over 50% of supplements in the US contain inaccurate labels, whether that's either missing, misreported, or even miscontaminated ingredients or contaminated ingredients, according to the FDA. Only 1% of supplement brands are truly third party tested, meaning most products aren't verified for purity, potency, or even safety, according to consumer labs. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a holistic doctor, a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. This video is part of our week 8 Intro to Holistic Medicine. It's a self-guided course, 12 weeks long, really getting you educated about what you need to know about holistic medicine. So if you're interested in learning more about that content, if you want to enroll in the course, it's self-guided. You can start at any time. Go ahead, click link in the bio, scroll down, and fill out the form. So I'm teaching you today how to decode your supplement label like a pro. So if you've ever been confused by proprietary blends, hidden fillers, or cheap synthetic ingredients, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, hopefully you'll know exactly what to look for and what to avoid. So the first thing is the proprietary blend scam. So a proprietary blend lets companies hide actual amounts of each ingredient. Just because an ingredient's listed doesn't mean it's a high enough dose to be effective. And a lot of times the lower down the blend is, or the lower down the ingredients is, the less potent it is. So example, a supplement may list turmeric, but it only contains about 5 milligrams, when research actually shows that we need 500 milligrams or more with black pepper to help with absorption for real benefits, right? Or let's say synthetic versus natural, knowing the difference. So synthetic vitamins are often cheaper, harder to absorb, and less effective than natural forms. But people often go to them again because of cost and convenience and all the factors. But we want to look for bioavailable versions that mimic what's found in whole foods. So as an example, this may be controversial, but sometimes patients will be put on folic acid, which is synthetic, harder to absorb, especially for people with MTHFR mutations, right? Where we use instead folate, which is going to be natural and methylated. Your body can be more readily and more effective. So bioavailability is a huge issue, not just with our food, but also with supplementation. So trying to choose more of bioavailable sources and pairing them appropriately is helpful. Now let's talk about hidden fillers. So those are harmful additives such as artificial colors, dyes, preservatives. Definitely check for any of your FD&Cs, oils, and inflammatory fillers that do more harm than good. So you want to watch out for things like titanium oxide, artificial sweeteners, hydrogenated oils. Those are all red flags when you are looking in your supplement. So definitely make sure that you pay attention. So some collagen powders contain artificial flavors or sugar alcohols, which can cause gut irritation instead of promoting skin health. So be careful with these various things because you may necessarily, want to get a benefit. Let's say even with collagen powders. I have not found a collagen powder or collagen supplement that really helps with skin. I found it more so to help with additional protein, but I've used more devices to help with skin in the past than I have, or even, I guess you can use some topicals, but for the most part, no, not to rebuild collagen. So there's a lot of misnomers out there, a lot of myths that people just don't know, and so they fall prey to it from the supplement industry. This is also important that you understand third-party testing, which is our gold standard. Quality supplements are number one, GMP certified, good manufacturing practices. They will say it on the label. You will see it, look for it. It is definitely something that they will show off. And also to look if they're tested by an independent lab, look for NSF, USP, or even look on consumer labs as well. You can get a membership with consumer labs and they will send you literally daily, if I think it's either daily or weekly notifications of, recalls that they have on supplements or test results that they've had with supplements, especially things like protein powders. Definitely wanting to make sure, because they change those so often, making sure that you're not getting something with lead or something like that. You can pretty much assume that if a brand doesn't provide third-party testing, or they waffle around it, or they give you a whole bunch of testimonials, just assume it's unverified. Don't even push farther. So lab testing, that many, like for instance, one of the issues we had many years ago was with fish oils, store brand fish oils that contain rancid oils, right? Really big problem. It's sitting on the shelf who knows how long, not refrigerated, etc. High quality brands like Nordic Naturals or Designs for Health, I've seen several different companies show full potency. So even if they have been sitting, they definitely hold on to their potency. So that's based off of how they concoct their supplements. So I tend to use professional brands just because I've seen their facilities, I've worked with their teams, I've known them for many years. They can all be found in my dispensary in our holistic community. If you are part of our Intro to Holistic Medicine course, you will be part of a community, and in there is a little link in there where you can order supplements if you need to. You can also ask me questions about if you need supplements. You can get lab testing to be able to see which supplements make sense for you, because if you take supplements, you really want to read the labels. Number one, they're very costly, but you want to not fall prey to marketing, because marketing is not going to tell you the full story. If you found this helpful, you can go ahead, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's one supplement you want me to review during our Wednesdays class. I'll be happy to review them. We'll talk about them. We'll get it all worked out. So go ahead and drop that below. Next, we're going to be talking about case taking as a holistic provider and the lost art of practice. So you don't want to miss it.